In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall and disable OneDrive. If OneDrive keeps popping up, syncing when you don't want it to, or you simply prefer another storage solution, removing it from your PC will stop it from running and syncing in the background. Don't worry, uninstalling OneDrive won't delete your files in the cloud, and any files already saved on your computer will stay where they are. Before you begin, save your work and let any ongoing sync finish. This helps avoid conflicts while the uninstaller runs. You'll also want to be using an account with permission to install or remove apps on this device. Start by opening the Start menu. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to bring it up. With the Start menu open, begin typing Control Panel. When you see the Control Panel app appear in the results, click it to open. Inside Control Panel, look for the Program section and click Uninstall a Program. This opens the list of applications installed on your computer, which can take a few seconds to populate if you have a lot of software. Once the list loads, scroll through it and locate Microsoft OneDrive. It may be alphabetized under M for Microsoft. Take your time to make sure you've selected Microsoft OneDrive and not something else from Microsoft. Next, right-click Microsoft OneDrive. A small menu will appear with several options. Choose Uninstall. You may also see an Uninstall button at the top of the window. The right-click option does the same thing. Windows will now ask you to confirm that you want to remove OneDrive. Click Uninstall again to proceed. If you're prompted for administrator permission, approve the request. The process usually takes less than a minute. During this time, any active OneDrive syncing will stop. When the uninstaller finishes, OneDrive is removed and effectively disabled. You won't see the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar anymore, and File Explorer will no longer sync your OneDrive folders. Your local OneDrive folder and files remain available on your PC, and your online copies stay in your OneDrive account. If Windows suggests a restart to complete removal, go ahead and allow it. That's it. By pressing the Windows key, opening Control Panel, choosing Uninstall a Program, finding Microsoft OneDrive, right-clicking it, and confirming Uninstall, you've cleanly removed OneDrive from your system and stopped it from running in the background. If you ever change your mind later, you can reinstall it from Microsoft's official download page, but for now, your PC is free from OneDrive's automatic syncing and notifications.